But
Yeah.
I want to say this to not to sound cliche, but you have to take your technical mind and transfer it to a business mind. Once I
Mm.
read this book, The E Myth by Michael Gerber,
Yep.
that started to transform how I actually started to operate the business because
Mm.
we fail at money and we fail at letting our kids go. Sometimes
Mm.
it's hard to let someone else do the work that we think we're the only ones that could actually do.
Yep.
But you have to learn to let go. And in the beginning, it's in the beginning you kind of hold on a little tighter,
Mm.
but you have to try to let go and figure out ways to work on the business and rather working in the business.
Mm. What were some of those things that you started doing or implementing that kind of enabled you to make that shift to
So
business
some of the
owner?
things, some of the it was I knew I had to automate some things in the beginning. I didn't understand what I had to automate. Excuse me. So I'm using tools like Zoho. So I was like, I'll start with automating my marketing. Let's say if I have to schedule 30 posts at a particular month, I'll automate that. And then the next step after that will be leads. And then the next step after that would be invoicing. But now until up until now, we have systems for pretty much anything. A technician can come in and go through a series of videos and training that we have within the business, and he could just go after a
Mm.
week, and he could just go. But
Wow.
before then, it was pretty much me building all this stuff out.
Hmm. That's incredible. So what would you say is the biggest difference between running the business today versus when you first launched in 2017?
Ah, shit. Excuse me. I have I have a lot more freedom. I
Okay.
have a lot more freedom because I want to say that I learned how to do something, and now I have a project manager and a salesman repeating the processes that I was doing each and every day. And then
Hmm.
it's pretty much just me and a technician in the field, unless I have to go and, do programming or something a little bit more complex.